Setting up Facebook Pay is simple and allows you to make purchases, send money, or donate on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Here's how you can set it up. Log into your account. Open the Facebook app or go to the website and log into your account. Go to Settings. On the app, tap the menu icon and scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. On the web, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, Settings. Select Facebook Pay. Scroll down and find Facebook Pay in the Settings menu. Click or tap on it. Add the payment method. Click Add Payment Method and enter your credit card, debit card, or PayPal account details. Follow the prompts to save your payment method securely. Enable for apps. Choose where you would like to use Facebook Pay, such as Messenger, Instagram, or Facebook Marketplace. It's automatically available across these platforms. Verify payment method. Facebook may require additional verification, like entering a code sent to your email or phone to confirm your payment method. Start using Facebook Pay. Once set up, you can use it for transactions like donations, peer-to-peer payments, or shopping directly.